Welcome back to the Tip of the Week. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Katie. I'm the marketing director for Sky Blue Media, and I've also been a realtor since 2018, licensed in North Carolina. Every week, I'm sharing a quick tip on mindset, strategy, and execution that you can immediately apply to marketing your business, specifically on social media. I titled today's episode, 7 Questions to Define Your Personal Brand. Personal branding is one of those concepts that has started to gain more attention in recent years. If you are an entrepreneur looking online for clients or customers, a clear personal brand can be the factor that sets you apart. If done well, you can also connect with people who know they want to work with you specifically, just because of something you do or say that resonates with them. One very important factor for all marketing in general is consistency. When applied to personal branding in the digital space, this means your content and your messaging should support each other and be observable across platforms. In my experience, the best way to achieve consistency is by having a plan in place that you can always refer back to. Whether you are selecting images, writing copy, or engaging with a new prospect, a strategy for solid personal branding makes it so much easier to communicate who you are and how you can help. To help you get started, I've assembled 7 questions to ask yourself. I encourage you to reflect on each question and write out your thoughts authentically and in as much detail as possible, because this will create the foundation upon which you will build your personal brand. Number 1, what are you known for? As in, what do your friends, family, and clients say about you as a person and as a professional? It is really important to be super honest with this as well as every question on this list. Because if you don't like what you're known for, then you have to think, what would you prefer it to be? What would you like to be known for? Number 2, who are you in business to serve? You can also think of this as, who is your ideal client? Be as specific as possible. In my opinion, buyers and sellers, or even just sellers, is not specific enough because thousands of other agents would likely say the exact same thing. How are you different? Number 3, why do you do what you do? What motivates you? Why this career path and not others? Number 4, what is your mission through your business? Gandhi said, be the change you wish to see in the world. So what change do you want to see in the industry or in the world at large? Number 5, what is your voice? How do you communicate? What words or phrases do you use consistently with clients and talking about yourself? Number 6, what is important to you in your daily life that you can share regularly? What do you do for fun? What do you prioritize apart from your clients with your super valuable time? Number 7, what expertise do you sell? What experiences have you had in life that make you uniquely prepared to solve problems through your business? How do you educate clients? Now, as I said earlier, these questions are a great starting point to help you start forming your brand concept. Next week, I will go through each question and evaluate myself as an example for you. This is a process I guide many clients through one-on-one during my launch session. Would you like help with your personal branding? Send an email to office@skyblue.media and I'll be happy to get you set up. Thanks so much for listening to Tip of the Week. To make sure you never miss a tip, please subscribe to the weekly newsletter at skyblue.media/marketing. If you found this episode helpful, please take 1 minute and share it with a friend. Better yet, take a screenshot and share it to your Instagram story and tag us at Sky Blue Media Tours. And finally, if you would like one-on-one help with optimizing your digital marketing for your business, send a direct message with the word marketing to Sky Blue Media Tours on Instagram or Sky Blue Media on Facebook. Can't wait to chat. See you next week.